Merge sort and its applications. By sorting using divide and conquer technique. Why sorting is important? Sorting helps arrange data in a specific order for easy processing. Merge sort is an efficient algorithm used to organize data accurately. It follows a systematic problem-solving approach to handle data step by step. It is commonly used when working with large amounts of data. Sorting plays an important role in data structures and algorithm design. Importance of sorting. Sorting organizes data so it can be processed easily, making information structured and clear. It makes searching operations faster and more efficient, reducing the time needed to find data. Sorting helps in decision-making, ranking, and report generation, where ordered data is required. It improves the overall performance of programs by minimizing unnecessary comparisons. Almost every real-world application uses sorting internally, such as databases and search engines. Divide and conquer strategy. The main idea is to break a large problem into smaller problems so it becomes manageable. Smaller problems are easier to solve and require less effort. Each small problem is solved independently, without depending on others. The individual solutions are then combined to get the final answer. This strategy reduces complexity and improves efficiency in problem solving. Divide and conquer strategy. The main idea is to break a large problem into smaller problems so it becomes manageable. Smaller problems are easier to solve and require less effort. Each small problem is solved independently, without depending on others. The individual solutions are then combined to get the final answer. This strategy reduces complexity and improves efficiency in problem solving. Characteristics of merge sort. Uses recursion to repeatedly divide the array into smaller parts. The actual sorting happens during the merging stage, not during division. The input order does not affect performance, so the time remains consistent. It requires extra memory to store temporary data while merging. It preserves the relative order of equal elements, making it a stable sorting method. Merge sort algorithm. Step 1. Accept the unsorted array as input. Step 2. Divide the array into two equal halves to simplify the problem. Step 3. Recursively divide each half until every part contains only one element. Step 4. While merging, compare elements from each subarray. Step 5. Place the elements in the correct sorted order to form the final array. Detailed algorithm explanation. First, check whether the array contains more than one element, since a single element is already sorted. If yes, find the middle position of the array to divide it evenly. Split the array into left and right parts based on the middle position. Apply merge sort recursively to both parts to sort them individually. Finally, merge the sorted left and right parts carefully to get a fully sorted array. Pseudocode explanation. Merge_sort, A, low, high, defines the function to sort array A between given indices. If low, high checks whether the subarray has more than one element. Find the middle index to divide the array into two parts. Apply merge_sort on the left subarray to sort it recursively. Apply merge_sort on the right subarray to sort it recursively. Finally, merge both sorted subarrays into a single sorted array. Merge sort, how it works. We begin with the input array, which contains all elements in unsorted order. In the first step, the array is split into two parts, called part I and part II. Each part is then divided again into smaller subparts, following the same process. This splitting continues until every subarray contains only one element. Once splitting is complete, the process reverses direction. Now, the single-element subarrays are merged back together. During merging, elements are compared and arranged in sorted order. Step by step, sorted subarrays are combined to form larger sorted arrays. Finally, all parts are merged to produce one fully sorted array. This diagram shows how splitting happens downward and merging happens upward, which is the core working principle of merge sort. Merging to sorted arrays. Here, we have two already sorted arrays, named array A and array B. Pointer P starts at the beginning of array A, and pointer P starts at the beginning of array B. A third array C is used to store the merged sorted result. We compare the elements pointed to by P and P. If the element at P is smaller, it is copied into array C, and P is moved forward. Otherwise, the element at P is copied into array C, and P is moved forward. This comparison and copying process continues step by step. Once all elements from both arrays are processed, array C contains all elements in sorted order. The total number of operations required is L plus M1, where L and M are the sizes of the two input arrays. Example of merge sort. Initial array X is equal to 3, 12, minus 5, 6, 72, 21, minus 7, 45. Step 1. Splitting arrays. Divide the array into two halves, 3, 12, minus 5, 6, and 72, 21, minus 7, 45. Keep splitting each half until each subarray has only one element. 3, 12, minus 5, 6, 72, 21, minus 7, 45. Step 2. Merging sorted arrays. Start combining small arrays while sorting them. Merge 3 and 12, 3, 12. Merge minus 5 and 6, minus 5, 6. Merge 72 and 21, 21, 72. Merge minus 7 and 45, minus 7, 45. Continue merging bigger subarrays in sorted order. Merge minus 5, 6, and 3, 12, minus 5, 3, 6, 12. Merge 21, 72, and minus 7, 45, minus 7, 21, 45, 72. Final sorted array. Minus 7, minus 5, 3, 6, 12, 21, 45, 7. Merge sort splitting trace. Initial array. Minus 56, 23, 43, minus 5, minus 3, 0, 123, minus 35, 87, 56, 75, 80. Step 1. Splitting process. Continuously divide the array into two halves until each subarray has only one element. Left half, minus 56, 23, 43, minus 5, minus 3, 0, split repeatedly, minus 56, 23, 43, minus 5, minus 3, 0. Right half, 123, minus 35, 87, 56, 75, 80, split repeatedly, 123, minus 35, 87, 56, 75, 80. Step 2. Merging process. Combine the single-element arrays in sorted order to form larger sorted arrays. Example, merge minus 56 and 23, 43, minus 56, 23, 43. Merge minus 5 and minus 3, 0, minus 5, minus 3, 0. Continue merging until the final sorted array is formed. Final output. Minus 56, minus 35, minus 5, minus 3, 0, 23, 43, 56, 75, 80, 87, 123. Complexity. Worst case time complexity, O, n log n. Quick sort versus merge sort. Quick sort. Hard division, easy combination. Division happens through partitioning the array around a pivot. Combine step does nothing. The array is already sorted after partitioning. Merge sort. Easy division, hard combination. Divide step simply splits the array into halves. Combine step merges two sorted halves into a single sorted array. Example to input data. Unsorted array 8, 3, 5, 4, 7, 6, 1, 2. Elements 8 numbers in random order. Goal: arrange them in ascending order. Process: merge sort will handle the array step by step, dividing and merging until fully sorted. Example division phase. First division. Left 8, 3, 5, 4. Right 7, 6, 1, 2. Second division. 8, 3, 5, 4, 7, 6, 1, 2. Final division. 8, 3, 5, 4, 7, 6, 1, 2. At this point, each element is separate, ready for merging. Merging phase, step-by-step computation. Compare 8 and 3 smaller is 3 result, 3, 8. Compare 5 and 4 smaller is 4 result, 4, 5. Compare 7 and 6 smaller is 6 result, 6, 7. Compare 1 and 2 smaller is 1 result, 1, 2. After this step, all individual pairs are sorted, ready for the next merge. Final merging process. Merge 3, 8 and 4, 5, step-by-step comparison, 3, 4, 5, 8. Merge 6, 7 and 1, 2, step-by-step, 1, 2, 6, 7. Final merge of both house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The array is now fully sorted. Time and space complexity. Best case, O, n log n. Average case, O, n log n. Worst case, O, n log n. Space complexity, O, n. Extra memory needed for merging. Merge sort's performance is consistent across all input types, making it reliable for large datasets. Applications, advantages, and limitations. Applications. Sorting large datasets and databases. External sorting for disk-based data. Efficiently sorting linked lists. Needed in stable sorting scenarios. Advantages. Consistent and predictable performance. Stable sorting preserves order of equal elements. Handles large-scale data efficiently. Limitations. Requires extra memory for merging. Not ideal for memory-limited systems. Thank you.